Good morning, everybody. Shaq's Eye right here with another informational video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the blade on a 12-inch Dewalt DW708 miter saw. I'm going to turn around and show you the tools that you need, and then we'll get into the video. The only tools you're going to need here is going to be a star bit, screwdriver, the drive for the star bit, 1/2-inch socket, and a socket wrench. The other thing you're going to have to do when you're trying to take the blade off is right here. It stops the blade, so you're going to push this in and move the blade, and then the blade won't stop, and I'll tell you when you're going to do that. So I'm going to set the camera up and then I'll be right back. Okay, here we are looking at the saw blade. This is a very easy task. All you have to do with that star bit is loosen one screw here. It's right here. You don't even have to take it all the way out. You just need to loosen it up enough to move this plate so that it comes out. So I'm going to do that really quick. Once you get it loosened, this guard plate will come out. You push in and slide it up. Okay, so now you can get to this bolt here. That's the 1/2-inch bolt. This bolt is reverse. It's so you're going to turn it clockwise to get it out. But first, like I said before, this is when you're going to push that button in and move the saw so that it locks. Take your crescent, take your socket wrench, and loosen it up. Take this bolt out. And that's really this is really the most important part, is to remember that this bolt is reverse. It's not a standard bolt. Once you get the bolt off, you're going to take this metal washer off, and then your blade comes out. You're ready to go. So then you're going to take your new blade, put it back on here, take your plate, and you'll be able to see on this washer, you want it to be flat against the blade. You'll be able to tell it'll be a little bit wore out. You put that back on, just like that, and again, counterclockwise to start screwing it in. Use your hand to start screwing it back in. When I tried doing this the first time, I forgot that it was reverse. I stripped the bolt, so I had to order one online. So that $1 bolt cost me $6 because I had to pay for shipping. Then before you tighten it up, you're going to push that button again. Make sure it's locked, which it's not. There it is. You're going to slide your guard back down. Use your star screwdriver. Tighten that screw back up. And the screws is standard. So everything's standard except for that bolt, blade bolt. And that's it. You're good to go. That's all. You're done. So if you found this video informative, push like, subscribe in the alert button so that you get notifications when I do my next videos. Thank you and have a good day.